What's up everybody guys, welcome back to Myanmar's tutorial. Finally, Touch Designer 2023 is coming. You probably have the buzz. People are saying I needed this function or this is exactly what I needed. Even the banner is lighting up easily. So what's all the excitement about? I'm diving deep into the 5 new features of Touch Designer 2023. We'll cover new additions and some crucial pointers to be mindful of. Ready? Let's get started. First one, body tracking chop. This is a real game changer for motion artists and interactive designers. Here is a demo getting from the operator snippet of body tracking chop. As you can see, the body tracking chop allows us to capture human skeleton movements in both 2D and 3D spaces, all in real time. What's true fantastic is that all you need is a simple webcam to bring this feature to life. This makes creating an interactive experience more accessible to everyone. Imagine the possibility: interactive installation in museums, public spaces, shopping malls, or even at the marketing events. Touch Designer is expanding the world of interactive design, bringing these experiences to a place we visit every day. And if you are concerned about performance, don't worry. I'm gonna introduce some hardware options next that are definitely going to enhance your experiments with Touch Designer. 2. New hardware support. OakD. The OakD AI sensors part of the OpenCV AI kit. OakD has 4K with 30 fps or Full HD with 60 fps camera, depth camera, and human skeleton landmark detection. So, how to use? Oak device chop can connect and control your OakD camera. Oak Select Chop can extract specific data like skeleton information from the Oak device chop. Oak Select Top can get processed images like depth maps or the camera. The main reason you choose OakD is affordable price. If you need a high quality one, next one is definitely for you. Z. New Z camera is upgrade powered by AI technology so that great quality and fast. It has 2 features, depth camera and body tracking. Touch Designer prepared Z-Chop and Z-Top. Z-Chop can return the info of detected plane. If you use well, you might implement this type of the content and can return a bunch of info of body skeleton parameters. Z-Top can generate XYZ position data as RGB. So if you see the top, you might think it doesn't work, but don't worry. You need to just utilize geometry instancing so that you can visualize correctly. OBEC. OBEC is a developer and manufacturer of 3D cameras and other sensors that can be used within Touch Designer. This can be an alternative of the Azure Kinect, especially Femto Mega and Femto Bolt will be a new standard because Microsoft incorporated with this company since they ended producing Azure Kinect. In Touch Designer, you can use them with Kinect Azure Top and other models with OBEC Top. Leap Motion Gemini. Gemini V5 tracking is now supported on Mac OS Apple Silicon and updated for Windows. That's it. SICK. New rider support in Touch Designer. This is a SICK which has 2D and 3D sensor. It looks really like Hokuyo, so you can use it as almost the same with my previous tutorial, so let's check it out. But Touch Designer has a SICK top that has XYZ info as RGB. I feel that is faster than handling chop like Hokuyo chop because it uses GPU, so that is sick. In addition, there are features like the laser device chop that supports Ether Dream, Helios, and Shownet, as well as Moses chop, which supports camera tracking commonly used in virtual production, and Moses top, which allows for lens distortion. This is like ordering a hamburger with fries, Coca-Cola, and ice cream, and then adding a hot dog, lastly milkshake. It's a truly loaded set of the additional features. 3. Apple ProRes. Apple ProRes is a format with high image quality and excellent random access performance. It is less intensive to decode than H.26, 4 or 5 codecs, but can produce larger file sizes. TouchDesigner supports the decoding and the playback of ProRes in the movie file in top, and encoding of the ProRes files via the movie file out top. These operations are hardware accelerated on macOS, which can turn on the movie file in top's hardware decode parameter toggle on the tune page. 4. Python update. In this update, Python has been upgraded to version 3.11. But you might be wondering, what is a big deal about this upgrade? Well, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Finally, 3.11 runs between 10 to 60% faster across the board. It's not just about speed. We are also talking about improved error messages and a bunch of new exciting features. To demonstrate, I prepared a demo comparing the execution speed with the Python 3.9, which was used in the last version of TouchDesigner. The demo uses some NumPy math functions. So let's start with Python 3.9. When I ran this code, it took about 26 seconds. Now let's run the same code in Python 3.11, and guess what? It took only 16 seconds. That's 40% faster. This is a significant improvement and a really big deal for our TouchDesigner's project. 5. Bloom top. Compared to the bloom of the palette, this is much better and easy to use. If I add the bloom top to the TD Banana, yes, it's lit. It could be a new starting member of TouchDesigner project with noise stop. Besides these awesome features, there are plenty more additions in TouchDesigner 2023. Now I know what you might be thinking. With all these new features, isn't TouchDesigner getting too big? Well, for those of you concerned about saving storage space or preferring a light version, I've got some great news. New web installer for TouchDesigner. This handy tool initially downloads only the core essential of the TouchDesigner, and the best part, it lets you pick and choose the extra features you want to install. You can easily find the web installer on the TouchDesigner download page. And be aware that the project file saved in the TouchDesigner 2023 cannot be opened in older versions like 2022 or 2021. Additionally, it's important to note that the features relying on NVIDIA's SDK are only supported on Windows with a compatible GPU, like Body Track Chop, Z-Top Chop, NVIDIA Upscaler Top, etc. etc. Alright everyone, that's a wrap on TouchDesigner 2023. It's like opening a treasure chest of new features. Just remember, once you save your project in 2023, there is no going back to older version. Get ready to dive in, experiment, and create some incredible magic with your digital art. Let's make some waves with Touch Designer 2023. Bye.